Hey there, need to pay in a foreign currency using Revolut? Whether you're shopping online or traveling abroad, Revolut makes it super easy to handle payments in multiple currencies. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it the right way in 2025. Step 1. Make sure you have the correct currency. Before making a payment, check your Revolut wallet to see if you already have the currency you need. If not, you can exchange money instantly within the app. Step 2. Pay directly with your card. Revolut automatically converts currencies at the best available rate, so you can simply pay with your physical or virtual card. No extra steps needed. Step 3. Use the multi-currency feature. If you have a balance in multiple currencies, Revolut will use the currency that matches the payment, saving you from unexpected exchange fees. Step 4. Check the exchange rate. Before paying, rates can fluctuate, so it's smart to check the exchange rate inside the Revolut app to get the best deal. Important tips: use weekdays for better exchange rates. Weekend rates may include a small markup. Revolut automatically picks the best currency in your account for the transaction. If you don't have the required currency, Revolut will convert from your primary balance. That's it. You're all set to make smooth international payments with Revolut. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Revolut tips.